Have you ever wondered how people earn free Bitcoin or make money online without any investment? Well, there is a powerful process happening quietly behind the scenes. It is called crypto mining. And believe it or not, people are earning free crypto daily just by running mining apps on their phones. So, what exactly is crypto mining? In simple terms, crypto mining is a process of using your computer or smartphone to help verify transactions on blockchains. And in return, the network rewards with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tron. It is like your phone or PC is doing small bits of digital work for the blockchain and you get paid in crypto for it. Now, you might be thinking, do I need to buy expensive machines or invest in big money? The truth is, you can start for free using crypto mining apps available today. Some of the best free crypto mining apps let you earn Bitcoin daily and other cryptocurrency daily from an iPhone or whatever phone you have with no investment. Of course, you won't become a millionaire overnight, but it is a smart way to make free Bitcoin without investment daily and grow your crypto wallet over time. Popular mining apps and cloud mining platforms now make it super easy to start. Just sign up, verify, and your mining begins automatically. And here is the secret most people don't tell you. Crypto mining is just one part of the digital gold rush. You can also make money from crypto through airdrop, events, crypto faucets, and also even trading crypto coins for profit. The internet is full of legit ways to make money and even earn free crypto. All you need is just your smartphone and consistency. So wherever you're learning how to make money with crypto, how to earn money online without investment, or just exploring the best ways to earn free crypto, mining is one of the smartest starting points for beginners in this year. And in this year, 2025, the best part is you can start small, learn as you go, slowly turn into a source of real passive income. If you want to know which mining apps actually pay you actually to withdraw easily without you investing from your crypto apps or crypto website, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be among the first to get this notification. That is, if you turn on your notification, please do that so that you can get more videos coming. Because in my next video, I will show you how to earn free cryptocurrency daily using one of the top referred method apps in this year 2025. See you on my next video. Crypto is the future. Bye bye.